Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're like me and love being at the beach, but you hate dealing with sand, then you've got to try these sand screens that I got from SHAKALO. I hate getting sand mixed with my sunscreen and then having to spread that on my skin just does not feel well. So using this to brush off the sand made it so easy to put the sunscreen on after that. This is a no-brainer to use. You just take the blue pouches out of the waterproof pouch that it comes in, lightly pat it. You can see the powder come out. This is talc-free and reef safe. And then you gently just use that to brush the sand off of your hands, your feet, your legs, whatever it is that you want to get the sand off of. It does leave a little bit of white powder residual on your skin. You can brush that away, or I found that it actually helped to repel the sand if I was continuing to be at the beach after using the sand screen. I think you're going to be just as pleased as I am with the sand screen. You're going to want it for your next beach trip, and that's my point of view.